Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will discuss about Intel Explorer in Microsoft Defender. So we all know Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence, which is available in Microsoft Defender XDR. Those who don't know what Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence is, so Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence, or TI, helps streamline security analysis, triage, incident response, threat hunting, and vulnerability management workflows. Defender 3i aggregates and enriches critical threat information in an easy to use interface. If you want to read more about it, you want to understand more about it, please read at Microsoft documentation. So let me quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, so when you will log on to security.microsoft.com, under threat intelligence on the left pane, click on here. You will have Intel Explorer, Intel Profiles, Intel Projects. You click on Intel Explorer. So Intel Explorer, it contains all the existing Defender threat intelligence content, search and investigation experience. So the experience between the existing Defender threat intelligence standalone portal differs slightly from the version in Microsoft Defender XDR. So the most of the functionality is available at this time. The Defender Threat Intelligence experience in Microsoft Defender XDR does not include the ability to apply custom tags or project capabilities. If you click here, tag, component, trackers, who is, certificate, cookie. If you want to know who is, let's say organization. You can search here on the Intel Explorer about the organization. Okay, you want to go for certificate, serial number, issuer common name, issuer alternative name, subject common name, subject alternative name. You can get all information here. And it will help in searching and pivoting, because it will offer a robust and flexible search engine to streamline the investigation process. Like you are seeing, like who is organization, and if you want to search all, it will list that thing as well. Okay. So Defender Threat Intelligence is designed to let you pivot across various indicators from different data sources, making it easier than ever to discover relationships between disparate infrastructure. Okay, through this video, we are here to understand how to conduct a search and pivot across different data sets to discover relationship between different artifacts. Otherwise, why would you search in Intel Explorer under Threat Intelligence? So there are some prerequisites. A Microsoft Entra ID or personal Microsoft account is required, and you need Defender Threat Intelligence Premium license. Okay. Now when you have the premium license, I have a developer tenant here. I don't have a premium license, but I'll share information whatever I could. So Intel Explorer search is both simple and powerful, which is designed to surface immediate key insights while also letting you directly interact with the datasets that comprise the insights. As you can see, search bar supports different inputs. We can search for specific artifacts or an article or project names. Okay, so the search artifacts, as you can see, have the IP address, domain, host. If you want to, let's say I will search for fabricam.com. It will show up all the information. So this action is actually would result in a domain search. If I type in host like something dot fabricam.com, it will do a host search or a keyword search, or I can do common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVE IDs. I can search for articles. This is the location that I've got for this domain. All of Microsoft. This is the whois information about this domain. And if I want to search for any article, I would search for, give me commodity skimming or IOC's trends. I would see this. Okay, first let's see what we get. I would look for articles. There are no articles, but I can search them. Tag, component, trackers, who is email, who is name, organization, address, city, state, postal code, etc., etc. Whatever information is available that I can get here. Registrar as well. So I can do pivoting as well for any search performed in the let's say I'm typing in domain name here for any search performed. So there are artifacts with hyperlinks that you can pivot off to discover further enriched results associated with those indicators. You can do more experiments on this as well. If you want to look for a specific IP, you can paste it here. If you want to look for, that will give you the country or region, the reputation of an IP, first seen, last seen, IP block, the registrar, registrant, ASN, the autonomous system number associated with the artifact. Okay, so this is what is available on the Intel Explorer and how this is useful. If you want to look for certificates here. So as you all know, beyond securing the data, TLS certificates are a fantastic way for users to connect the disparate network infrastructure. So TLS certificates can make connections that passive DNS or whois data might miss. This means more ways of correlating potential malicious infrastructure and identifying potential operational security failures of actors, right? That's why getting information about certificate is also very important. And you can look for projects as well. So the Defender Threat Intelligence, if you see here, I will talk about Intel projects later, how you can form data sets. I'll cover that in the next video. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.